Do you need to adjust handbrake Saab 9.3? Stay tuned. Let me show you the Saab 9.3 handbrake adjustment procedure so you can do it yourself real easy. Welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe so that you too can learn how to look after your own car and save a bundle on garage fees. Seriously folks, this is the sort of job that's like a license to print money for garages. This job takes about 5 minutes and they'll charge you an hour's labour. Now if we were to strip the centre console away, this is the handbrake mechanism that we would see. The service manual I have and a lot of YouTube videos will tell you that you need to strip out the centre console to access the handbrake mechanism, which of course is a right royal pain in the butt. But if you look carefully at that mechanism picture, you can actually see the adjuster on the top of the mechanism. If we take a look in the cubby hole underneath the armrest, then depending on what model you've got and what year, like I've got here, you may have a phone cradle, or if there's no phone cradle, then down here next to the power socket you'll have a coin holder. So whether you've got a coin holder or a phone cradle, simply remove whichever you've got, and through the hole that you've created there is the handbrake adjuster with a 13mm socket on an extension. Place your socket onto the screw head. To tighten it up, turn it clockwise, and to loosen the handbrake off, turn it anti-clockwise. Now I have found the adjustment is quite fine, a little sensitive. I would recommend just trying a quarter of a turn at a time. And you want to adjust the handbrake up so that when you get to the third click you can just start to feel the handbrake engaging. I wouldn't recommend doing it any tighter than that because you don't want to end up with the handbrake binding and wearing out your rear discs and pads. I told you it was a 5-minute job, didn't I? This is the sort of job that a garage will charge you a minimum of an hour's labour to do. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll see you on the other side of that screen sometime soon.